I think yesterday we got one of the important question from AP application by top MNC. He raised the question, I want to make the every month EMI amount, every month particular date, example 10th. I taken the loan 10 lakhs. I would like to make the payment 60 months. Every month I want to make the payment particular date. What is your solution? We will provide two scenarios or two solutions to meet client requirement. First one, we need to create standard invoice. We need to create standard invoice. Before that, we need to create payment terms with installment terms. Then create a standard invoice to validate. So I will go to payment terms. So go to manage payment terms because we banker already given what is the amount to be paid for next 5 years. I define the payment term now. Example, loan payment term, today's date. I taken only 4 installment only. Each installment I given the date. Example, okay, 6th, June 10th, July 10th, August 10th, October 10th. Then I will go to regular navigation, standard invoice. I will choose the bank name. I will choose the bank name. Like ICICI. Sorry, I define the Bajaj Finance. Then I can take a loan PT, loan PT. I taken 4 installments. So what is the amount? Example, 21,000. I would like to do 4 installments instead of the 50 because it will take time. I will enter. Then I will select the payment term loan PT which I created. I will go to lines. I will give the regular combination. Any expense I can take it. Or take any expense. I am taking regular charge for to test the system. Then save it. Then I will go and check it. Installments. So, somebody enabled document override. Save. Then if I go to installments, I can see 4 installment with the payment method. Example, as I said, June 10th, July, August, September. So I will do validate this month, 10th means today. I will do payment. I will do painful. So observe what is the amount we should do. So when I run the PPR, because I can't make the installment from full payment full, right? If I go and run the PPR, system will consider due date basis amount 21,247. Today it will be paid. So every month it will be paid as installment with a single advance. This is first solution. Second solution we provided, we will create payment terms like immediate. Then we will do manual installment adding. So let me take another example. Like, let us take Bajaj Finance. We take in the loan. Then take the loan PT amount. So you did not define the payment term, no issues. Go to Reliance. I am taking some distribution set. Save for testing. Someone enabled that. See, but it shows a total amount as a install. Then I will go to here. I will distribute here as a installment manually. If I define the payment term, okay, right. Okay, but first installment today, next installment July 10th, then August 10th, then September 10th. So 4 installment I done manually within the immediate payment terms. Then I will go on the validate. When I run the PPR, system will consider first installment as a due date. Okay, as a due date, it will make the payment today. So we will do solution. Thank you. Thanks for listening.